Is a hard money loan better than private lenders and conventional financing? As an investor, I love hard money lenders. You know, it all really depends on what you are doing, what type of project you're taking on. So earlier, I was showing you all of the properties, how I like to get the worst property on the block. A lot of conventional banks, they won't give you money for properties like that. You just can't walk into, let's say, a Chase and say, hey, I want to fix up a bunch of properties in the community and they look ran down, they need everything. They'll scrutinize you a little bit more. It'll take a lot longer because they're not used to loaning out money to properties that look like that. But hard money lenders, oh man, they'll give you money for just about any type of property that you want to invest in. And that's why I like it, because they're used to loaning money for the worst properties in the neighborhood, right? That's where they kind of make their niche. And I think that's why they call it hard money lender, because they loan money to the projects that necessarily would be harder to get money for from conventional banks.